What happened? Oh.
How bad is it? That was pretty bad.
Scraped or broken?
Just great.
Okay. Rich broke most of his fall.
Shit, man.
I might have a single band-aid if you want.
Call emergency services or?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing. You can see his hands.
Huh?
Nothing. You can see his hands.
Where's the other guy? You alright, man?
Behind you guys.
Oh, you okay, brother? You okay?
Ah.
My head's fine. Sorry, man. It's close to the rear wheel. It was on the left. Oh my god.
You okay?
I don't think I have band-aids on me.
Oh.
Thank you.
Maybe I should go get the car.
Hmm?
What do you think?
I have
Your car?
Yeah. I have a...
Dave, do you want to drive back to the parking lot?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Your tire's flat. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, David.
You tell me,
David.
but it
David.
looks pretty...
Yes?
I'll go get the car. Okay?
No, I'll be okay, guys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna put the tube in?
Dude, we really don't mind getting going.
Yeah.
Giving you a drive. I
Yeah,
do
yeah.
not mind at all.
I don't mind at
I'm
all.
okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Which tire is it? The front?
What's the front? Yeah.
I do have a tube, but it's tubeless, so it probably just needs blow. It probably just came
Yeah.
off the.
Okay.
A lot of fuel came out.
Yeah. Just a...
The tire's not fitted on anymore. It'll be a gamble.
I just live over there.
Should be okay.
Should be
Yeah. Thanks.
I was on the porch and I heard you go by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The ride with the rocket?
Yeah.
Thanks for checking on
I
us,
have a
though.
pump.
Okay.
Yeah, you said you're right there?
Back one.
Back one? Alright, if we need anything, we'll go right back. Yep. Thanks, man.
Open?
Thank
Oh,
you.
I have
Shit, sorry, man.
Somebody's gonna see if it'll take here.
Put it on the side.
I think somebody had another.
Oh, man.
Yeah, no kidding.
Okay.
Yep. Oh,
Is it?
maybe.
Like it went.
No, it almost got it, and then it...
Well, it might still go. Seal, or is it completely?
No, I might have to use the new one. Yeah, I have another one.
Oh,
Yeah.
didn't pop
You have to do it
Yeah.
in one shot. Oh, man.
What do you think, Matt? He's gonna try another tube.
I have one more.
No, no, I think everyone else dodged it. I think.
Yeah. Wait.
What happened? You just...
Do they just touch?
I just I looked behind me actually. I heard someone being like something, I don't know. I looked behind it and I caught the wheel. My bad.
Is it holding it?
No,
Where's it coming out?
no, it's leaking.
Okay.
Where?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Put it down?
Yeah, but
Spin it.
yeah, spin it to the bottom and see if the sealant will catch.
I think you lost a bit too much sealant.
Yeah.
Sadly.
I got a tube.
Do levers? Okay, you do.
Yeah.
Deb it or something.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll be buying us all donuts and you just won't know until you get home.
Shit.
Thank you very much. Thank you for trying.
Now let's see. Okay.
Do you think it's just a loss of sealant?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the rim's fine. I'll be able to
Put in some more sealant when I get home.
You guys know I'm just gonna keep riding. No, of course not.
Yeah,
Keep going.
I'll go with
Yeah. Yeah, do you want
Okay, just so that if he stiffens up.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, there is a fair amount. I might have been able to.
It might be just a pinch.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I've had tires that once they go, they won't seal properly.
Yeah.
Like the tubeless.
Yeah.
Like the
Right
bead
there.
actually
Yeah.
stretches.
Okay.
So I've had it on my mountain bike where I get it all set again in the feed set, and then it just explodes off the rim.
Really?
The feed stretches a little too much and it won't fold.
Oh, that might be what. Maybe it's what's. I don't know. Do you have new tires?
Dave. Oh, something to remember. Oh man.
That's alright.
Yeah. Now, Chris,
Everybody's okay.
you gotta fix it, huh?
Single speed.
Yeah, single speed. Wow.
I think that's done. We can see
Huh?
And it's making it
yeah, I was like 2 inches off your wheel when you fell.
Over here?
Like I mean, like that's not how far I was drafting. I mean, like that when I dodged, I almost went down.
Yeah, it was close. I thought everybody was going down there.
No, when I heard the puff, I go, what did I do?
as soon as I heard buzzing, I'm like, that's a wheel touch. Oh.
I looked behind me for a second. I don't know what was said, but there's crap in this. That's what's.
Oh, it was. The other guy was off the back.
Mm.
So
Oh, okay, yeah.
Dave was like, "Do you want to just tell Chris that he's off the back?" The other guy. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, right? I'm like, it's the front group, and it's the front group, right? So for a reason.
Yeah, I wasn't. Yeah. Huh. This is not getting back on. Wow.
So what's the gear ratio?
44-16.
16.
Yeah, I think this one was 16.
44?
Yeah. Yeah, 16.
Wow.
So it's pretty higher than what I would normally run. It's been good for like keeping up in the group.
Mm.
But usually I would run like on my old bike is 44-18.
Oh yeah.
So it's like
It's
keeping
so slippery,
up in the group harder. The hills are easier.
Okay. Yeah.
And then for CX, I put like a 22 on the back
You're magic,
for the racing, because that's what it's for mostly.
Do you do track
instead?
bikes?
No,
Why not?
I did.
What do you think?
I did it once, the like level 1.
Okay. In not Milton, the other one.
London.
Yeah, London.
It's expensive for what
I
it
know.
is, though.
Yeah.
Sammy, do you have that CO2 charger?
No more.
I have a charge. I just need the.
Yeah. Yeah. I have the thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
My goodness. That's
Consider
brand.
this one. Consider this payback for the rubber tube. There you go.
Okay. Yeah.
Just let Sammy pump it up.
I'm not the expert, but I'm used to it.
It's your tool, so.
Yeah. Okay, so you put the. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Hold it.
Open. Sammy, you're getting lots of practice with your CO2.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think that's the 3 of them there. Fuck, man, that looks.
That's fucked up.
Oh no, is that the skin suit too?
My brand new skin suit.
No. Oh.
Okay.
Is the
Are you okay?
sealant? No, I'm fine. Is the sealant stuff not good for you? Do you not eat
Oh no, it's,
Oh, no,
it's basically just like a glue with latex bits in it. So unless you're allergic to latex.
No. Yeah, because I don't want to
That's empty.
eat something with the same.
What? No,
Nothing in it.
I've eaten and drank stuff when I'm doing bike
Oh shit!
maintenance and
I'm glad I
Oh
didn't get
man.
and you're pretty fast, so.
Oh, it's already open.
Oh man.
What the hell?
So you don't have to worry about intermediate groups then. Because we're moving. Like, got it. We're doing a decent pace.
Yeah.
See, so I went to
Hey,
this
this guy-
King
yeah,
Street
that guy's
ride,
shooting.
Oh, okay.
and
This
they call
one
it intermediate.
heavier.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was the ride along the Grand River, so there's a lot of hills.
Oh,
and I couldn't change
gears quickly.
Oh boy. Oh no.
So I got dropped like
Oh yeah.
5 or 10 times.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
Okay.
Solid. Hey, in case it blows.
Yeah. Well, I was.
Get it off, baby.
Because of the cylinder. Yeah.
It's because it's frozen.
Yeah.
The actual valve is loose, the valve core.
Oh
Yeah.
shit! Really? I don't have my valve core wrench.
Getting there. A little more. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
It's rideable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rideable.
Rideable.
Straight.
Whenever
I put a